Hello everybody, it is Don, and in this video we are going to talk about the meaning of Tai Chi or Taiji for your beginner practitioner. Now remember, this is for a beginner practitioner. So if you've been doing Taiji for a long time and you do not consider yourself a beginner, this video may not be for you. However, it may be for you because you may be doing Tai Chi wrong, or maybe you just want to stick around and see if there's something in this video that may help you. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is Taiji as it is put into a box, okay? Now, it is lumped into a box that says that Taiji is a internal art. While yes, this is true, we don't want to lump this in to the box of just strictly an internal art, because Taiji is also an external art. Again, it's also said that Taiji is a soft art, which is true, but it's also a hard art. So Taiji is a soft external or soft internal or hard internal or hard external. Okay? Do not try to lump it into a box and get yourself all confused about internal, external, hard, and soft. It's all of it. When we're talking about the yin-yang symbol, Taiji is encompassed around this yin-yang symbol, and it's the philosophy of opposites, okay? So, when you're talking about hard, there's also soft. When you're talking about internal, there's also external. Okay, so I wanted to clear that up first and foremost, okay? Now, why am I saying that? As a new Taiji practitioner, we go around the internet, or we look at YouTube videos, and then we listen to the person who is teaching us, okay? And we hear all kinds of philosophical things. We hear all things about the body. We hear Chinese phrases such as song and ting and zhongding and all these different things. Are these things Taiji? Yes, they are. But to a beginner, it can be overwhelming. So as a brand new Taiji practitioner, or a Taiji practitioner that may be lost in their practice, I think it's best that you go back to the beginning of your learning and think of Taiji just in the beginning as an external art, okay? Because you have to learn how to move the body first on the outside, externally. How do I move this hand? How do I move this hand? How do I move that foot? How do I move that foot? A lot of people in the beginning get tripped up on trying to have the perfect form, or try to just focus on being relaxed and they're just getting so confused, okay? So what I want you to do as a brand new Taiji practitioner is focus on the movements, the physical movements first, so that the form itself, and if you're doing push hands, the push hands patterns themselves become easy for you. You don't have to really think about it. It's like just walking, okay? What do I do with this hand? What do I do with this hand? You just do it. When you walk, what do you do with your feet? You just do what you do, right? You don't think about it. That's the way it needs to be in your form, and in your push hands, and in your standing, and in all your Taiji practice. You have to learn how to do the physical, the external physical frame of the form first. The external physical frame of the push hands and standing first, okay? Then, when you understand those things and those things are correct, then you can start thinking about inside, what's going on inside the body. We're not even going to talk about that right now. What I want you to do is focus on the external part of Tai Chi. Focus on the movements. Okay, if your movements are not correct, you're going to get all tripped up. Okay, so just focus on how, like, let's just talk about a brush knee. Just how do you do a brush knee? What does this hand do? What does this hand do? What do the feet do? Once you understand that, move on to the next one. Wave hands like clouds or something. Just any one of those movements. Get the movements down first, and your Tai Chi practice will be much smoother. Okay, and you'll probably understand everything better as well. Okay, so I'm not going to keep you here real long. I'm going to try to keep this video short. So to close it out, focus on the external part of your practice as a beginner Tai Chi practitioner. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. And I want to apologize for not doing videos so often. I always say I'm going to do videos all the time, and then life gets in the way. I really have to commend those YouTubers who do videos like every single day. Boy, you guys are really committed, and I commend you for that. I'm going to try to do more videos if I can. I am not going to promise it's going to be like tomorrow or whatever, but I'm going to try to do more. Again, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have yourself a blessed day, and be sure to practice.